The Xiaomi Poco F7 Pro is an upcoming flagship smartphone that is generating excitement for its powerful specifications and competitive pricing. Expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, this device is built to handle demanding applications, gaming, and multitasking with ease, making it an ideal choice for performance enthusiasts. The Poco F7 Pro is rumored to feature a stunning 6.67-inch OLED display with a 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and a buttery-smooth experience for gaming, video playback, and everyday use. The display is likely to support HDR10+4 enhanced visual quality, ensuring content looks immersive and lifelike. In the camera department, the Poco F7 Pro is expected to impress with a versatile triple-camera setup. It will likely include a 50MP primary sensor for sharp and detailed shots, a 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom for capturing distant subjects with clarity, and a 32MP ultra-wide-angle lens for scenic landscapes and group photos. These cameras are rumored to be paired with advanced AI-enhanced features for improved low-light performance, portrait photography, and cinematic video recording. The battery life is another area where the Poco F7 Pro is set to shine. Equipped with a robust battery, the device will support 90W ultra-fast charging, allowing users to charge their phone in a matter of minutes. This feature is perfect for on-the-go users who need their device to be ready quickly. The software experience is also expected to be top-notch, as the Poco F7 Pro is anticipated to run on Xiaomi's latest HyperOS 2.0, which is based on Android 15. This operating system is designed to offer a fluid, modern interface with plenty of customization options and performance optimizations. Additionally, the Poco F7 Pro is rumored to include premium design elements such as a sleek glass back, a metal frame, and an under-display fingerprint scanner, making it both stylish and functional. Other anticipated features include 5G connectivity, dual stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 7 support, and enhanced cooling mechanisms for extended gaming sessions. With these features and specifications, the Poco F7 Pro is shaping up to be a compelling flagship that delivers exceptional value for its price, targeting users who demand top-tier performance, photography, and design without breaking the bank.